Rhino Linings provides the highest level of corrosion, impact, and abrasion resistance for your truck bed, truck grille guards, bumpers, and rocker panels. Applying Rhino Linings is one of the best ways to increase durability and aesthetics while protecting your investment for years to come. The environmentally safe spray-on protective coating dries quickly and contains no VOCs or CFCs. Here's how it's applied. The following tools are needed: Nylon Cut brush, 60 grit sandpaper, masking tape and paper, wire trim tape, denatured alcohol, and a respirator. After the tailgate and access cover are carefully removed, the tailgate is cleaned and then masked with wire trim tape. Masking tape and paper are then applied. Technicians should be thorough and keep the job tidy. The rest of the truck is then wire taped and masked in a similar fashion. Special attention should be given to any bed lights, and all hardware must be removed before coating. Performing this step correctly can dramatically improve the quality and longevity of the Rhino Linings application. During the preparation stage, specific safety gear must always be worn. Goggles and a respirator are the minimum recommended safety equipment. After masking, the bed and tailgate are then prepped using the multi-speed polisher. Uniformly scuffing the paint is vital to having the Rhino Linings coating adhere successfully. Where the brush won't reach, use sandpaper by hand. Be sure to get into all the contours of the bed and tailgate. Use compressed air to remove all dust from the bed and tailgate, and then clean once more with denatured alcohol and a rag. You're now ready to spray the truck bed and tailgate. Make sure all of your protective gear is on and that your equipment is functioning correctly. Now let's spray the truck bed. Start with a light mist in the hard-to-reach corners from the opposite side. Spray smooth, glossy layers with a 50-50 overlap to ensure proper build thickness. Coat the floor, the top rail, and the bulkhead. To texture the bed, use short spray blasts after the rest of the bed has been coated. This should be done last, and be sure to check the thickness before removing the masking tape. Start with the wire tape, and the rest will follow. Finally, apply a Rhino Linings nameplate to the truck bed. This ensures that you've installed an authentic Rhino Linings bed liner. Replace the tailgate, cables, and other hardware. For more information about joining the #1 brand in the industry, please visit rhinolinings.com or call 1-800-422-2603.